This is what I used. Iron grip. That's some good stuff there, boy. I think it cost about $7 a tube, though. Well, it's worth it, I guess. I put up these window and door alarms in the trailer with that stuff. I glued them, or I put it on the back, I stuck it right on the door, put it on the back of this one and stuck it right on this wooden sill. Things, I'll tell you, I don't know what's going to happen later on, but they're on there good. So, you can stick in things anywhere. And it works good, just being that far away from it. The magnet worked that good. I got like see where it's at. I have like three doors. I got them on all of the doors. The other one was mounted different on the front door because it opens in. This is mounted on the sill here and on the door. I'll show you the other one. There's the other one. This is this is part of the door. This black plastic strip, whatever it is. This is mounted on the sill. And this one works good. Alright. And I bought these at 2 in a pack at Wally World, Walmart. $10 for 2. I think they had them little button batteries in them. This I got at Lowe's. This is some good stuff, I believe. I mean, I stuck them things up there, and they didn't even move. I just pushed them in like and embedded it, and I didn't have to put anything up there, any kind of clamp or anything. Just put them up there. I put the stuff on the back. Just pushed it right in there, wiggled it in there, with pressure, and pushed it, and they stayed right there. They didn't droop down or nothing. And it don't take long for that stuff to dry either, to harden up, whatever. Okay, pretty good deal. I like it. I'm not gonna. It has a chime. The center, like a ding dong thing, and all the way down is alarm. Okay, that's alright. That's it. Check them out if you need an alarm. That don't cost nothing. Alright. And this is what I used. Iron grip. That's some good stuff there, boy. I think it cost about $7 a tube, though. Well, it's worth it, I guess. I put up these window